Oh, you're hurt. You thought this was toy gun, didn't you? Oh, no, no, no. This is real. More real than you can think. You're soft. You are not strong enough to pull the trigger. You'll regret it. Oh, yes, I can see it. Well, it will be all over. Very soon, you don't have to think about this anymore. Actually, anything. You don't have to think about anything anymore. Do you know why, don't you? You are dying. Very soon, you could be dead. You're gonna miss me, won't you? Because the last memory you have is all about how I shot you. It's bad memory. It's a bad, bad memory. Well, I better get going. Have a nice hell.